Hey everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing kind of the long-awaited, I guess. I don't know, I've been asked to do this quite a bit, the updated tattoo tag. My last one was quite a long time ago. I looked extremely different. If you guys haven't seen the first tattoo tag, maybe go and watch that first, just because I'm not gonna go into depth on all of the tattoos. I am gonna go into depth on the new one. For the other ones, I'm gonna kind of just like quickly talk you through it. But for the most part, I went really into depth on that video. Okay. Let's hop right into it. I always start with this tattoo. I feel this is my first tattoo I ever got, so hence why it's just not the greatest. This is turning into a tattoo regret video. I have a tattoo on the top of my foot. It says Bailey. That was the first dog that my family had, or at least that they had when, you know, I was around. So I got his name on the top of my foot. I'm just not in love with the font that it's in, but that was my first tattoo and that's what it means. Going up my left leg, I have two arrows crossing, and in the crosses it says 1991. That's just the year I was born. There's not much to that tattoo. I think I just wanted something there. One of my newest tattoos is this one. It says, I got one girly. Now, I don't know if you guys know the Drake song, Six God, but in it he says, I got one girl and she my girl and nobody else can hit it. This tattoo originally said, I got one girl. I ended up getting this as a matching tattoo with someone that I'm no longer friends with. That person obviously got the and she my girl. So I ended up just making it say, I got one girly, because I got girly. If you guys don't know, I have a dog named Girly. So I just thought that would be a really cute way to make it into a really lovable tattoo, and I really like it. So it's like my little girly tattoo. I still have to get tattoos for the other two dogs, Oaks and Hotch, but haven't done that yet. And I think I still want to get a different girly tattoo. I just thought that was kind of a cool way to make it about something I really enjoy. So that is it for that leg. Let's move on to my right leg. On my right leg, I have this Crew Love tattoo. Now it has hearts coming out of it. It's in a flower. Crew Love is also a Drake song. It's one of my favorite Drake songs. It's also one of my friend Elizabeth's favorite songs. Eb and I got matching tattoos. She has this on her arm, so that's essentially what that is. I really like that tattoo. It's super well done. It is one of my favorites. I think that was the last one that ended off my last tattoo tag. One of my other new tattoos, I actually got it put right beside the Crew Love tattoo, is this bottle. Now what this reminds me of is kind of like message in a bottle type thing. It's not a piece of paper in it because I wouldn't have been able to really put the font on it, but it's like on the label and it says Sailor on it, and it's just this like really cute bottle with some flower in it. I absolutely love this tattoo. This is probably my favorite tattoo. Sailor is the name of my dad's dog who passed away a little while ago, and I really like animal tattoos. I feel like essentially there's something that I won't ever really hate, you know what I mean? Because they mean a lot to me. I think it's just so dainty and just so well done. Yeah, so it's one of my favorites and it's one of my newer tattoos. So moving up on that leg, I don't think anything on my thigh is new, but I will kind of like take you guys through it. I have these sheep on my leg. The numbers in it represent my brother's birthday. I just really wanted to get a sheep tattoo. I think sheep look so cute. So we kind of made it like, you know, counting sheep, jumping over the moon, that whole kind of thing. Below the sheep tattoo, I have this Slurpee tattoo. I've touched on this in my tattoo regrets video, which I'll also link down below. Yeah, I love Slurpee. So you had to get tattooed, Tasha. Okay, whatever. Anyways, so I have this Slurpee tattoo and it says stay cold on it. Going over from that, I have a pizza tattoo, which I had tattooed in Virginia Beach. Around it, it says I will never lose my youth. These are Set Your Goals lyrics. One of my favorite pop punk bands. I liked pizza. It was just everything fit well together. Beside that, I think this was like my first real tattoo. It was a portrait of my rabbit Simon, who passed away. As you guys can see, there's some sort of like a theme here. I got it when he was still alive though. I think it's really pretty and really gorgeous, and probably still one of my favorite tattoos. I think it does need to be like touched up, and I think the highlights need to be added back into it and stuff, but I'm a baby. So I don't really want to go get tattooed. Above from that tattoo, I have this little name tag, and this is just, I think, one of the funniest, coolest tattoos, and also one of the most unique. I wanted to get like a hello my name is tattoo, those stickers that you like stick on your shirt, but I had no idea like what would I even get it to say. And I'm a really big Seinfeld fan, as you guys will learn throughout this video, and so I decided to get Art Vandelay. Art Vandelay is George Costanza's alter ego kind of thing. Over from that, I have this Flash cat tattoo, which I kind of just got on a whim. Doesn't mean anything to me. It's just a black cat. Literally, I think I got it on like a Friday the 13th or like a Halloween Flash kind of thing. Underneath that, there is a straight razor, and I just wanted one of these tattoos really badly. I think in my first tattoo video, I called it a switchblade. Oh, people got mad. I don't know. I just Sorry. Beside that, I have one of my friend's Eb's initials on me because, I don't know, I was a kid. What up, Eb? Got your initials on me still. On the back of my thigh, I have this massive kind of piece. I'm gonna quickly go over it. Basically, it's Title Fight lyrics. It says, when you're feeling safe in your skin, maybe we'll meet again. And I got it at a time where essentially, like, I didn't feel good about myself and stuff. I don't know, there's a fox on a lady, it's kind of cute. The reason I haven't gotten it finished is because I didn't really click with the tattoo artist, and I did meet a tattoo artist that said that they would work on it, because essentially they don't want to work on other people's art. It's kind of like a no-no, but it's kind of situational. I don't care to get it finished. I never see it. I don't care to go through the pain to finish it. Like I said, I go into detail on that one further in the first tattoo tag video. I'm like trying to remember what all my new tattoos are. It's very hard, and I feel like I'm gonna miss a tattoo. Moving on up, I have a new tattoo. I got a matching tattoo with my friend Sarah. Sarah White on YouTube. She Edra Hill on Instagram. Y'all might know her. We got like matching daffodil tattoos, and I don't know. She was like, we should do it. And I was like, yeah. And then she sent me this picture of this flower, and I was like, yeah, that's so gorgeous. Let's do it. Sarah is an absolute sweetheart, and I'm so happy to have met her and to have her as a friend in my life. I wish that we lived closer, but we don't. So yeah, and I absolutely love it, and I got it in a place where I've always wanted it. It did really hurt. I'm just a wuss when it comes to tattoos. It's crazy that I have so many tattoos, and I am the biggest wuss. Going up from that, on my shoulder, it says Steadily. This is just a song that I liked at a certain time. Me, my best friends, Desi and Michael, we all went and got tattoos at the same time. They don't correlate to each other at all, but we did, and I got this on my shoulder. It says Steadily. It's a song by a band called Means. Last up are my hand tattoos, actually. So my hands say Lone Wolf. I used to be a lone wolf. I don't know if I'm still a lone wolf anymore, but I have Lone Wolf written on the inside of my hands. I always forget it's there, to be honest. And then on my finger, it says 61 Pen. It's a song by a band called Crucial Dudes. I'm pretty sure it's like a highway in Pennsylvania. There's a time in my life where I really like song tattoos. It's rough, I know. Another song tattoo. This says Pure Vida. This is a song by a band called Sea Haven. I believe it was written about Costa Rica. Pure Vida means pure life. That's that. Like that's my favorite song by Sea Haven. The last tattoo I have is this one, and it's essentially this like tally marking. It was the number of people I've been in love with. That's essentially what it was at first. As I've grown up, I think it's really stupid, and I don't want to get like Jordan on that. I think it's a really stupid tattoo. You'll see that like when I first made this tattoo tag video, I was like, oh, I love it. I don't care what anyone thinks. I don't care what like my significant other things. But now I'm just like, no, I don't like it. There's a lot of people, I think it's because I don't really care to remember some of these people, if that makes sense. So I have since changed it. It is now the number of dogs that I have had. So help me if I start a dog rescue. I'm just gonna be a human tally mark. And memento, I have to just check to make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, almost forgot. Okay, I also got Girl Gang tattooed on the back of my arm. Girl Gang. That's you, that's me, that's all of us. I started just calling us the Girl Gang without vowels, so GRL, a while ago, and I think it's just really cute, and I got it there, and so many of you have got it as well, and I freaking love you, and I can't believe you did that, and thank you. Thank you. I love you so much. And if anybody else wants to get a Girl Gang tattoo, freaking go for it. My friend Eb and I have it, and I think like 4 other subscribers have it. So I don't know, it's just cute. I'm not telling you to go get a tattoo. I'm just saying that if you did, I freaking love ya. Should I check one more time? Okay. Oh, I did forget one. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I forgot so many. I forgot to talk about these guys on my wrists. So 5A and 5B is Seinfeld reference as well. If you were to walk into Jerry and Kramer's apartment, 5B would be on your right and 5A would be on your left. And so left is Jerry, right is Kramer. So I just really wanted something in that small area on my wrist. So that's what I ended up getting. Also on my right leg, I have 2 Valentine's Day, like those, you know, those candy hearts. They are my mom's cats' names. I mean, I guess they used to be my cats too because they lived there, but Melly and Lumi. Again, on the pet theme, I really like those kinds of tattoos. So help me if that's not it. It's hard when they're on your body and you can't see them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed filming it, and you guys have wanted it for a while. Even though I only have like 4 new tattoos, y'all were like, I need to know. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on Sunday for my next video. Bye guys!